All right, so special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send us their new bathroom rug to display and show you guys. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and open it here. Ooh, very soft. So we got a little plastic in the middle of it, okay, but a very, very soft feel. I like it, and you can see what it actually says. So let's go put this in front of our bathtub and show you what it looks like. Little side note on this, it says do not machine wash. The backing of the mat is made of rubber to prevent slipping, so better wash by wiping, brushing, or rinsing. Better do not machine wash. And so there we go. That's what it would look like when it's in front of your shower. Very nice little look, and I of course love the wording. You can see this fits basically all the way across ours. If our towel warmer wasn't there, I'd be able to slide it down a little more, and it would literally be the exact length of our tub from here to the wall. So very nice. That will do it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.